Hey guys, today we've got a pretty small shell kit here. This is the mini shell kit by Winda Fireworks, and there's 6 shells in here, and each of them are 1 inch in diameter. And they're pretty small. Um, I have had a box of these before. I did a box of these on the 4th of July this year, and these shells are actually pretty loud for their size, so I'm excited to do these for a video. So yeah, got a QR code right there. There's some pictures, though I don't think those are the actual pictures. Got 6FX. There's the little shells in there, you can see those. Looks like something got ripped off over here. That's probably just a product number, or I bet that says 6 pieces. Yeah. And one of these boxes was $8, which is a little pricey, especially since these are like really small shells. But I think it's actually a pretty good deal, considering the fact that they're pretty loud for their size. So yeah, we'll go ahead and open this up. So you got a pretty small tube in here. Now with these shell kits, you got to be really careful with this tube because it does like to fall apart. Most of these small shell kits I've had, the tube either just breaks or something like that. So with that little tube, same graphics as the box, very small tube. I can't see. I'm not doing this part in the bright light like I usually am, but the next few videos will be like this actually. One of these shells looks like this. If it'll focus, there we go. It does not list effects or numbers, but yeah, you can see they're pretty small, 1 inch in diameter. That actually might be, I don't know, that might be 3/4 of an inch. It's probably, yeah, I don't know, probably between that and 1 inch, but yeah, they're very small. They aren't color coded. Most of these are black, and one of them seems to have like greenish color to it, but I don't know if that affects anything. So there goes the air conditioner. There's the warning thing, which got all crumpled up, but it's whatever. Yeah, we'll go ahead and light these off. I do want to say that the weather recently has been really windy and kind of dry, so I'm going to have to be really careful with these in the next few videos. There is a chance that I'll have to do my first pause on the fireworks videos for a while, since I've never done that yet. Ever since I started making videos, I've not done a pause like that yet, so, but this might be the first year I have to do that, because it's drier than it usually is this year, so, but I think these will be fine, so let's go ahead and see what they do. Alright, here goes the green one first. There's the red one. Here goes it crackling. I actually had a bunch of different effects in that effect. I think this is blue, it might be yellow though. Yeah, that was yellow. Alright, here goes the blue one. Alright, here goes the last one, and this is another crackling one. Well, these are not the loudest shells on the market, but they are actually pretty loud for their size. I really like these shells. That one crackling shell had a bunch of different effects in it. I actually kind of like that one. That was probably my favorite one. It was completely unexpected as well, so yeah, mini shell kit by Winda Fireworks. Definitely a nice little product. I'd probably get this for $5. Yeah, very nice. Nonetheless, the tube is still intact, so I might actually reuse this. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time with another video.